If you want to go ahead and import out photos or videos that you may have stored in your Google services, then you can go ahead and insert them out by going around onto the insert menu and by choosing Drive and Photos. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the Uploads section opens up and Drives and Photos opens up right here. So you can simply go ahead and then choose the video or image that you may have right here, just like this in Google Drive, and insert it out. You can even go ahead and then filter out even just the videos or audio if you want as well, just like this, and insert it out just like this. Apart from Google Drive right here where you see, you can also go to Google Photos and then you see the Google Photos that you have right here just like this. You can just go ahead and click and then insert out the photos from your Google Photos as well. And even here, you can filter out to just videos as well as you need. So you can see that as I were to actually go ahead right here, you can see that I can insert out my video as well. So the video is still loading, so you don't actually see it right here, but this is what you have. So let's just go ahead right here and insert it. And there you go. There's the video over there as well, just like this video and images that you have stored on your Google Drive. So you can see that this is what you have right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and import your own media from Google services inside of Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.